This is my second video today, if you see my Nerf Gun video yet. And today I do have my modules and all my attachments. And of course this is not attachment, but it is a type of the modules series. And I am going to show you all the ways that you can use these attachments. And you're probably wondering why I have this one in the background. I just think it is fun to just have it in the background to show you if you haven't seen my other video, because I did share that. And let's begin. So I have my flashlight here. I can put it on the side, or I can just push it off, and I can put it here or here. And this is a barrel. I can put it on. You see these? This, you can, the big side, you just put in the big side. It is kind of hard. I'll just not do that part because it's pretty tough. And I have this one, it's the same thing. But I think this one is a little easier. Yeah, it's a little easier because I just had it on backwards. And I have this big magazine in it. But I will show you what it looks like with my, what's 12 plus 12?
24.
With my 24 photo, you can put 12 in here and then 12 out here. So when you run out of bullets, you just flip it over and use them. And you need bullets. And I have this. You can just slide it on like this. I don't know if it's backwards. Just so you can just hold it like that. And now I have my red dot scope. I forget where you turn it on. Does that have the red dot? I will see if it has the red dot. If it won't down battery or not. If it won't down battery. So I will get new batteries for this. And I will have one more to show you. And this is a short video because it is here is my last thing to show you. It is just like the other ones. It is a barrel. It makes it go farther like all the other ones do. And it just works like this. And tomorrow I will probably make another video of some of my other Nerf guns, because if you didn't see my last video, I will make a video tomorrow of my other Nerf guns, because I did forget some. I have Nerf guns all over my house. And
is that going to be your name?
And you can watch me, #ZStrikeDean, and I will see you, I think, tomorrow in the morning. Bye.